No matter what you're hauling in your 2015 or newer F-150, if you don't have a set of good tie downs, then this set of Red Rock bed tie down anchors will be a great solution. And these will offer you a very secure way to keep whatever is in your bed safe and prevent it from sliding around, causing damage to your bed, or sliding out of the bed while you're driving. Now, not only will this be a strong solution, but an easy one at that to add to your truck if you don't want to make any modifications, but still want to reap all the benefits of a solid tie down system for your F-150. Now, these tie downs will come with a set of backing plates that are going to mount right into the factory locations, again making this a very easy mod that requires no drilling. Now, what is also easy about these is the fact that this tie down is going to slide in and out, so you can put them on whenever you need them and take them off when you don't, while also being lockable, so you can rest assured that they're not going to go anywhere. And not only will you get 2 sets of keys, but you're going to get a set of 4 there. Now, these will also have a large loop in the middle for any of those bigger straps or hooks, and 2 smaller ones on the outside, so no matter what you're using to tie your things down, you're always going to have options. Now, speaking of options, because this does come with 4 in the kit that mount right into the side of the bed, this is going to provide you the flexibility that you need for whatever hauling scenario that you run into. Like I said, these are going to be solid. These will be made of a steel construction, so you can rest assured that your things are going to stay right where you left them, no matter how heavy or how big. These will also be covered in a black powder coat finish to protect the steel, so if you don't have a tonneau cover on the back of your truck, you don't have to worry about them being exposed in the bed of the truck because they are well protected, and they blend in seamlessly no matter if you have a bed liner or not. The kit will also come with everything that you need, including all of the hardware for the install and, of course, all of those keys to make sure that they're locked up and secured. This kit will be relatively affordable at around $85. Now, compared to other options, this kit is going to offer a ton out of the construction, even with the simplicity of the mod itself, with the lockable, versatile, and heavy-duty design making it a no-brainer. Not to mention, you do get 4 out of the kit to really up the options compared to others that may come singularly or in a pair. Install will be 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 30 minutes to get all 4 of these installed. Now, at this point, we can head over to the shop and check out a detailed breakdown on our F-150 and show you how to get these on yours. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet, some grease or lube, an extension, a T30 torque socket, an M6x1 tap, and a T-handle. What's up, guys? Today we're installing bed tie downs in our F-150, so let's get started. Now, to install these tie downs, we are gonna have to tap into these 4 factory holes so that we can mount our bolts. I've got an M6x1 tap. I've got some brake lube that we're gonna use to lube up the threads here. That way, as we're cutting our threads, that's gonna be pulling our metal shavings out. So you wanna make sure that you get this in there perfectly straight. We'll start turning to cut our threads. If you feel resistance, we're just gonna go back and forth a couple times, and then we'll repeat that for all of our holes and our other sets of holes. Now I'm gonna get a light coat of grease onto our tap. And I will stick this into our hole super straight and start cutting our threads. Now, once you feel that resistance, just go back and forth a couple times. Now, once you don't feel any resistance anymore, you're all the way through, so you can back that out. And then you can take a microfiber, wipe that grease with the metal shavings off of your tap. And then you can re-lube your tap and move on to the next hole. So now we're ready to mount our tie downs. We have our T30 Torx bolts that we're going to be installing into those holes. I've got a T30 Torx socket to thread those into place. And I'll grab my ratchet and tighten these the rest of the way down. And then we can repeat that same process for our other 3 tie downs. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Red Rock bed tie down anchors for your 2015 and newer F-150. Thank you for watching, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.